Decided to make Akara cake, and oh my god, it turned out so fluffy and nice. To go me on this journey, I'm going to be using some ingredients, including carrots, of course, because I'm doing a carrot cake also. But instead of flour, I'm using Akara flour, like I'm using beans flour, right? So this is the carrot. I washed it, shredded it, and then I'm just going ahead with my ingredients. That plate is like that because I use it for another formulation earlier. I keep saying formulation. Another recipe area, right? Yeah, so this is egg. And just check for the ingredient list in the description box. I use ingredients like egg, milk, salt, baking powder, sugar, of course. You can try to use honey. Different ingredients, and I'm just going to make sure I mix them very, very well so that it is well incorporated. Now that it is mixed well, I'll go ahead to add our special ingredient of the day, and that is beans flour. Right, I didn't have flour at all, and I was like, okay, what would it like feel like or taste like if I actually make a cake with beans flour instead of normal flour? You know, it's a cheaper option, right? And it's something that I always have at home. At least most Nigerians, right? I mean, I love Akara, so I like to do Akara like very fast, few minutes. And that's why I have my bean flour. So I decided to use it, and I said, okay, let me do a sample batch, like a test batch, because I don't know how it's going to taste like. So I'm now adding my carrots. Now, as I mentioned, it is a carrot cake, and then I'll mix very well. The next thing I'll do is I'll just oil my my cupcake. I still don't know what they call that thing. My cupcake stuff. I'm going to oil it, and then I'm going to put the batter inside it, and then I'll go ahead to put it in my oven. And then I was watching and waiting to see what is actually going to happen or how it will turn out. Yeah. So this is my oven. I was actually multitasking at that moment. I was doing another recipe, that's carrot cake without flour, and then this one is carrot cake with beans flour, and I was also diluting carrots. Yeah. So I'll just leave it. Then this is it after a while. One way to know your cake is ready is to put in a toothpick, and if it comes out without any ingredients, please talk to it. Then it means that it is actually ready. And yeah, the one at the down is the carrot cake without flour. That's a totally different recipe anyways. I made them on the same day. I was just making different variations of the carrot cake. And yeah, so this is it. Like, if you want to remove your cake from the cupcake stuff, then you just remove it like this from the edges, right? And let us wait and see. Well, I've shown it at the beginning of the video anyways, but still, you're going to see how fluffy this thing actually came out. When the thing was actually right, I was like, what's happening here? Because the thing was like puffy and all. Like, it had pregnancy. How should I say it? Anyways, when I opened it, I was like, wow. Like, you don't mean it. This is my Akara cake. I was pleasantly surprised. And then when I opened it, I was like, dang. Oh my god, like, this is so soft and so fluffy, right? And even when I gave my friends to taste, they did not know that it was beans flour I used for it. Like, it didn't taste like Akara at all. Like, it looked really, really good. Very, very, very nice, yeah. So this is something that I'll be trying again, that I'll definitely be making again.
It tastes really nice. Like, I'm really, really surprised that it will taste really good. Do you get? This is carrot cake, but instead of using flour, I used beans flour. Like Akara flour. This actually tastes so nice, and it's so soft and spongy, right? Oh my god. Like, now, if I want to make cake, I don't need to start worrying about, I don't have flour or anything. I can just do my cakes, and that's carrots. Just do my cake with my Akara flour. The one I used to make Akara. Very simple. Actually, it tastes really nice. Carrot cake. Should I say carrot and beans cake? And it tastes really nice. Like, I used on to it, and she didn't even know that I actually put Akara flour. She was like, she's not tasting it in the cake, and that was the only flour I used. Because it tastes really nice. Like, I'm just like, wow. Need sometimes it tastes really nice.